Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So this morning I decided to just film a day in the life vlog for you guys. So I just have a little bit of running around to do today, and I might even make some homemade laundry detergent. So if I do that, it'll be during Jack's nap, so it'll be a little bit later this afternoon. But I can show you guys the recipe, if you will, if you want to see how that is made. But this morning I am actually waiting on my mom to get here. She is going to come watch Jack for me for a little bit. My husband's at work, so John's working, and yeah, so she's just going to come watch Jack for me because I'm getting ready to go meet somebody to pick up a crib. So I bought a crib off of Facebook Marketplace, and I'm getting ready to go pick that up, and I have to run into Aldi as well and then drop something off to a friend. So I'm going to go do that this morning, and I need my whole back seat to put the crib in, so Jack is not able to come with me because his car seat takes up so much space. So anyway, also wanted to say, if you are new here, first off, hi. My name is Nicole and this is the Simplistic Home, and here on my channel I just share kind of just home and lifestyle type of videos. I'm wanting to incorporate a lot more home decor videos and whatnot, and I am currently 28 weeks pregnant. I'll be closer to 29 weeks actually by the time you guys see this video, but we have a 2-year-old little boy named Jack, and then we are due the beginning of October with our second little boy, and we are naming him Barrett. So I'm going to go pick up a crib for him. But anyway, if you guys enjoy lifestyle type content and home decor and things like that, and like hauls and whatnot, then you are in the right place, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. But I am wanting to do like a nursery tour once I have that done, and like a nursery decor haul. I have some fall content coming up, so I'm wanting to do a fall Hobby Lobby shop with me and things like that, and just how I decorate my house and all that stuff. So I recently just did a summer home tour, so I'll have that video linked down below if you guys want to check that out. But our house is like a modern boho farmhouse style, so if you're interested in that, again, you're in the right place. But anyway, so I'm just gonna take you guys along with me for the day, and yeah, just have a typical day in the lifestyle video. So anyway, yeah, I'm waiting on my mom, and I will get back with you guys here soon. Okay guys, so I just picked up the crib. It is back there. So I am now going to go to Aldi and pick up a couple things and then finish running these errands. So yeah, I'm excited. I got this crib for a really good deal, and it converts into a toddler bed and everything. So originally I thought about transitioning Jack into just like a bigger bed, and he's pretty particular about his sleep and whatnot, so I decided I'm just going to find another crib and yeah, go from there. So anyway, we now have 2 cribs in our house, or we will once this one is put together. But anyway, let's go to Aldi and get the rest of this errands done. Okay, so I just left Aldi, and tomorrow night I have a party at a friend's house. We're having a girls' night, so we're having tacos and things like that. But anyway, I had to get some guacamole and some cilantro, so did that. But I found this. It is avocado pesto dip. Not a clue if this is going to be good or not, but we shall see. So anyway, now I have one more little errand to run. I'm going to drop something off at a friend's house, and then I'm heading back home. So anyway, let's go do that now, and then I will get back with you guys when I get home. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and make this laundry detergent. So this is my first time actually making the powdered laundry detergent myself. I guess I should mention that this is a powdered laundry detergent. So it seems super simple. My mom made some recently and gave me some to try out to see if I would like it, and I did really like it. So this is all you need. So it's just a box of this Arm & Hammer laundry booster, so super washing soda. This is in the, it's a 3-pound box, so it's 55 ounces. So I'm just going to use half a box of this, and then just baking soda, and this is a 4-pound box, so I'm going to use half a box of this, and then I'm supposed to grate this. So I have a little cheese grater to start with. We'll see how well that works. If not, I can get out my big one. But I laid a paper towel down, or this is not a paper towel. I laid a trash bag down because I'm going to grate it over this, and then maybe I'll be able to just like pick it up and put it in here. So this is the canister that I'm keeping it in. It's just a little like glass canister from Walmart. These things are super cheap. I think this is like, I don't even know, maybe like $7 or $8 for the glass one. So has the lid, and then I just have a little measuring scoop in here. So I'm pretty sure you can add like essential oils to this if you want to, like if you want to give it a scent. But honestly, I really like the scent of this bar of soap. So this is just a laundry bar and stain remover. So it's Fels Naphtha. I don't know exactly how you pronounce that, but anyway, that is what it looks like. But all of these things I just found in the laundry section at Walmart. So very cheap, very inexpensive to make. I think this bar of soap was like 97 cents. Baking soda is, you know, super affordable. And then this I think was like maybe $4 for this box. So this will do enough. These two together will get you 2 of these sizes, and then you just need a whole bar of soap for if you're wanting to make more than 1 canister. So anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. Hopefully it's not a complete disaster, we'll see. But anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and make this laundry detergent. Okay, so now that that part's done, I'm just going to go ahead and add all of this to my canister here. So I will say, whenever I started with the small cheese grater, I could tell it was going to take way longer than it should have. So I went ahead and just switched over to my large one. So if you have a large cheese grater, like I used this side, it seemed to have went a lot quicker, and the pieces they're obviously a little bit thicker, but it still works the same way. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this to my little canister, like I said, and I'll show you what it ends up looking like while we do that. So here we go. so now that that is all mixed together, like you guys saw, I thought I could go ahead and mix it in the canister, but that wasn't happening just because this is kind of a smaller canister as far as like getting able to like actually get in there and mix around. So I just dumped it in that extra bowl that I had. Seemed like that saved a ton of time, but anyway, yeah, so that is literally all you do. So simple. It smells good, like I said. You can add essential oil to it if you want to. I prefer not to, just because I do like the smell of that bar of soap. But I just have a 1/3 cup, like a measuring cup in here that I just don't ever use, and other than for the laundry. But anyway, yeah, so I just put that in there, and I normally just do 1 scoop of this stuff. You can do less, you can do more, just whatever you want to do. But anyway, yeah, so there you go. There's a little fun, easy DIY powdered laundry detergent for you guys. But anyways, now I think I'm just gonna hang out with Jack for a little bit and wait until he goes down for a nap, because I have that tote over there, if you guys can see that. But anyway, that is full of baby clothes that I've been trying to sell for him. So I have just a few things left in there. Actually, there's more than a few things, but I'm going to sort that out by size, because that's just kind of how I like to do it. I like to sort it out by size, and then I can just take like group pictures of it and post it online. So anyway, going to, I guess, go ahead, hang out with Jack, and then do all that once he takes a nap. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. So I will be back in a little bit whenever I start organizing. Okay, you guys, so Jack just went down for his nap, so I am going to go through this tote right here. This is just everything I have left that I didn't sell of his, so there's really not that much in there, but I'm going to organize it by size like I mentioned earlier and see if I can sell any more, and yeah, just go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of organizing, and then I will probably be wrapping up this video, but we will see. So anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. Honestly, not that much here left at all. I had like, gosh, it was like a whole tote plus like 2 huge like reusable grocery bags left. And yeah, so anyway, this is what I have left. Probably gonna post this sometime this evening, and yeah, so anyway, I do want to show you guys a few things that I have in Barrett's room. So we're gonna walk back here real quick. My house is so quiet once Jack is asleep. I could take a nap too. Anyway, okay, so this is what it looks like right now, you guys. So everything in here is going to be moved, and I still have to paint and stuff. So we are going to be painting the bottom half here. We're going to be painting it like a green color. Originally I was wanting to do like a mustardy color or like a golden color, kind of like the color of this pot here, but I think the green will go a lot better, and I can like get more things to go in here. But anyway, so still got to paint. This is leaving. This was originally Jack's playroom, so there's still some stuff in here from that. But anyway, this is leaving. I'd like to find a mirror or something to put there, like kind of like a boho styled, or like one of those round mirrors. So anyway, his changing table will go here, and I still got to figure out what I'm doing about that. I just got that crib today, so the crib will go here, and I'm gonna do some type of accent thing on the top, and decorate a little bit over there, and then probably going to have his little like rocking chair or swivel chair there. And I would like to find some type of like wicker like table or something, because there is an outlet behind where the changing table is now, so I can put like a little lamp and something like that. But anyway, so here's just a little bit of what we have going on. Like I said, I have stuff organized, so like his closet is already organized. As far as like the clothes, I still have like stuff like setting up here and whatnot. But anyway, as far as the clothes, I just wanted to keep it super simple and minimal, honestly, just because, I don't know. Number one, newborn sizes, like I have a few like staple pieces in here. If we end up going somewhere, he needs to look nice when he's very little. I have a couple of things, and the rest is mainly just like onesies, and I have like sleepers and stuff like that. But anyway, so just a few newborn items, and then I have the 0 to 3, 3 to 6, so on and so forth. But if you have never seen these, so these like little organizers, these things are so inexpensive and amazing. I love these things so much because if you guys know me and you guys have been watching my channel for a little bit now, you know that I am all about like organization and whatnot. So whenever I was pregnant with Jack, I ordered these off of Amazon. I think it has like newborn all the way to, I think the last one says toddler, so it has like 12 to 18 months and then toddler. So I still use the 12 to 18 and the toddler for Jack. But anyway, yeah, these were like little plastic. They just like, let me see if I can get this one-handed, kind of hard. Anyway, okay, so there you go. They just like slide off. These are just plastic, and I think they're like $7.99. So I'll have those linked down below if you are interested in those. But anyway, so yeah, I just have all of his clothes organized, and then all of this stuff, like I said, will come out, and I'll be doing other things with it. So just a little bit of what I've done so far. But the main part is getting the room painted and set up. So anyways, there you guys have it. Okay, you guys, so I think I am going to end today's vlog here. I don't really have anything else going on. I think Jack and I are going to my parents later this evening. Seems like we normally go there or my mother and father-in-law's on the days that John is working, because he does work 24-hour shifts. So it kind of just breaks the day up a little bit, honestly. But anyway, if you guys enjoy these vlog styles, just like day in the life things, let me know, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me and just home related things and lots of mom life type stuff and baby related things, because that's just the current stage of life that I'm in with having another little one on the way. So anyway, thanks so much for spending the day with me. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.